Okay guys, so here's the Mule Pro-MX. So today, of course, you can see we just have some nuisance snow, which again, it's just not gonna cut it with the snowblower for the Yanmar. So we put the Moose plow on. Just got done installing it. So it comes in basically 3 sections. You have one bracket in here that goes under the frame, which is quite a treat to put on, but I was able to get it up with a jack. So I used a floor jack just to kind of hold it in place, and then got all the parts together, which is just 4 bolts and a mounting strap. And then of course you have this piece, and then finally of course you have the plow. So that was pretty straightforward. The winch was actually installed at the dealership. That actually came with the Kawasaki Mule, and the window, front windshield also, and roof were put on by the dealer. That was part of when we bought it. That was part of the package. So I guess today we're just going to try to take a couple shots of trying to clear basically about one inch of snow. But you know, the problem is when you're looking at something like this, you keep driving over it, just becomes ice. So anyway, that's the notion.
Oh, looks like we're ready to plow a little bit of snow, and not much, probably about half an inch or an inch. I think a lot quicker than a snowblower, since there's not much right now. So that was probably a good idea. I think just one swipe up, down, and one swipe up will probably be enough to clean it. On the straight part anyways.